Can you guess where we are?
Oh yeah, that's super rad. Good shit.
Welcome back to another Speckic adventure. This time we are in Osaka for a day. Our first stop is Maruyoshi Sushi. This place opens from 5 a.m. to 1 p.m.
The longest line, bro.
As you can see from the long line, it looks to be a pretty popular place. The price for the sushi here, I would say, is decent. Not exactly cheap, but quality of fish was pretty fresh. As we're walking towards the Shinsaibashi area, we noticed some game centers. Have you guys ever played at the game arcades in Japan? Because they are so very different than the ones in America. The closest comparison I can think of is round one, if you have one in your area. But I'd say the prizes as well as the game experience is definitely unbeatable in Japan. And even if you're not into crane games, it's interesting to just walk inside to see the prizes available. Sometimes it's toys, sometimes figurines, and other times there are candies, cookies, chairs, tables, color pencils, all types of random stuff available to win.
Yeah, it is.
But they don't have the mayonnaise.
The mayonnaise is cute.
Oh, you hold it. This game center had a few floors. Upstairs were the arcade center, and they had a lot of different types of games. There was a whole row of racing games. This is also something you probably won't see outside of East Asia, a train operating game. They have like levers and switches you can pull in order to, tell the train to go faster, slower, or to turn on or off any sort of like function on the train. This is a machine that collects your used gacha shell. So after you get your gacha toy and you have that plastic ball, you can recycle it here.
What do you win?
I don't think you win shit.
We are at the crossroad, the intersection that connects Shinsaibashi and Dotonbori. So many people. Shinsaibashi is a really long shopping street in Osaka. It's a good place to walk, but I didn't find myself really interested in any of the shopping here, since most of the stores that were available here were also available in the States. This strawberry daifuku was really good. Would highly recommend it. This shop sits inside Shinsaibashi, right at the entrance.
Which one did you get?
Number one, so the red bean.
How about you, Tommy?
Got the number 2 chocolate.
Ooh.
Chocolate cream.
Not sure if you guys are interested in fashion, but Second Street is a reusable fashion store, meaning secondhand thrift store. They sell men and women's clothing, but they also sell a lot of used designer goods. So if you're interested in that aspect of fashion, this would be a good place to check out. We really needed to use the bathroom, so we ended up inside a shopping mall. When we went inside, we actually found out that they had a Pokemon Center as well as a Shonen Jump store. This Pokemon Center was actually pretty big and had a lot of different merch. But the line was super crazy. There was so many people there and the people were kind of clogging the different aisles, so it made it super difficult to even take a look. So we didn't spend too much time here.
Yeah, oh shit，你咁肥嘅？我知隻鴨啊，最冇用嗰隻。
我揮得㗎，揮得，哇，好肉酸嘅。
佢最好真係好鬼肉酸嚟嘅。
Any Shonen Jump or One Piece fans? Tommy and I are big One Piece fans, so it was nice to find a jump shop here.
係啊。
Each manga had its own small section. Not too many things to look through.
Why did you buy Sakura? She must be popular here. So Haku and I forgot what his name. Starts with a Z.
哦，係啊，喺邊個㗎？喺度笑得好核突啊！佢係睇 Tiffany 睇下你幾高。
Next, we head to Dotonbori. And one of Osaka's most famous foods is takoyaki.
Yeah, let's do it.
Did you know there's a Mandarake in Osaka? I actually didn't know before I stumbled into one. We were actually heading to another toy store. They sell a lot of out of stock or older merch, so it's a really good store to go to if you're a collector looking for a very specific toy or collectible. I was able to find a One Piece Onami figurine for only 800 yen. They also had a pretty large automobile car section, a lot of model kits. I would recommend you to go to our next location and do a price check prior to purchasing here.
These are old, dude.
It's $55.
55?
Yeah.
This is 55?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Yeah, I had this kid's like back in the 90s.
If you're in Osaka and you like collecting figurines or car models, things like that, then you should check out Joshin Super Kids Land. On the first floor, they have a lot of different figurines for mangas, anime. But once you venture on upstairs, you'll find that they have 3 to 4 floors all dedicated to cars. It's so much that it's literally overwhelming.
Oh my god. This is too. I'm like overwhelmed. This is too much.
We also came here on the days that Tamiya was having a showcase. So they had a lot of their completed car models on display, and it was really cool to see.
Yeah, let's take this home, bro. Ah.
They also had some custom model cars. So if you're not really into building it yourself and just want to buy one of these, they have that option too. Once you make it through all 3 to 4 floors of all car stuff, good luck by the way, you'll make your way on upstairs, and that's where they sell a lot of train model kits. This is also pretty cool to just take a look around. At the very front near the escalators, you'll see a model village with a running train going through it. In the middle of the train section, they also have a smaller section dedicated to Studio Ghibli. These are paper crafts, so everything is made out of paper. Upon looking at the reviews before coming here for Joshin Super Kids Land, I've noticed a lot of reviewers making comparison between this place and other similar places in Tokyo, and what reviewers have been saying, and I think it is actually quite true, is that the prices here are actually similar, if not cheaper. than the stores in Tokyo. So if you have time to come here, make your way over to Osaka and you have time to come visit Joshin Super Kids Land, if you see model kits that you like, I think it would be a good choice to purchase it here rather than in Tokyo. Our Osaka day trip is coming to an end. Osaka is a great place to come for a short trip if you're coming in the direction of Kyoto or Nara. We came from Nara and it took us roughly about 40 to 50 minutes one way with a train ticket of about 800 yen.
Wow, your phone is in my shot.
By the way, what you're looking at is our dinner. We were super tired after this long day, so we just stopped by one of the restaurants at the station. Anyways, thank you so much for watching another episode of our Japan adventure. For the next 2 episodes, we'll be going to Tokyo. So stay tuned for another Spekic adventure. Bye!
Omelet. So the hamburger steak with omu rice. Right?
This was exactly what I wanted in Japan.